Hey, we're here in Sanders Ridge taking a tour of a 3105 floor plan. This home has a formal dining room, downstairs master, and a total of 6 bedrooms. And as with all the homes in Sanders, we use hardy plank siding and craftsman style trim on the entire home. So you've got shakes, board and batten, and the horizontal siding with craftsman details on the garage door, coach lights. And right now we're power washing the exterior, as we do with all homes, to be made ready for the new buyer to move in. This home is sold, but we can build and are building more homes with this floor plan in Sanders Ridge. So again, this has a formal dining room. When you first walk in, there's pillars with crown molding and the standard chair rail and shadow box molding in the dining room, with a brushed nickel chandelier and double windows. So it's a nice bright dining room. 9-foot ceiling throughout the first floor of this home. Standard chandelier in the dining room and in the foyer. And there's an open floor plan kitchen family room. Huge island with seating and a very large peninsula with seating as well. This particular buyer chose upgraded maple cabinets in white with one of our standard granites. No, again, this home comes standard with the appliances in stainless steel. Upper cabinets are standard 36-inch with crown molding and castling above the microwave and fridge. And there's a pass-through opening. As with all the openings without doors, it's 8 feet tall and has casing and trim around it. And there's an alcove for the refrigerator. And off the foyer is a half bath and an entry to the garage. We use craftsman style exterior doors on the home. Those are standard. The windows in the garage are standard, and all of the garage is finished just like the house, painted, sheetrock, trim, exactly like the house. Standard is a gas hot water heater, and in this neighborhood, natural gas, underground gas is standard. Sewers are standard. City water, we're in the Troutman city limits. We wire the garage for an opener with the sensor wiring and the plug, and the wiring for the switch. The rail and motor are optional. Fireplace and ceiling fan in the family room are standard, as is a 10 by 14 patio in the back. This is a slab foundation home, so it comes with a patio, minimum steps in to the front, and again, standard patio. If we had a deck, it would be a deck with stairs down to grade. A lot of privacy in Sanders Ridge. There's common area behind most of the home sites, and it gives everybody some privacy because nobody can build behind you. We also use low E glass in all the windows, so they're energy efficient, double pane windows, maintenance-free vinyl with lower sashes that tilt in for easy cleaning. And the ceiling fan in the family room and in the master bedroom are standard. As I said, there's a downstairs master in this home. Good sized room with double windows. A large walk-in closet. And part of the master suite obviously includes your master bath, double sinks, adult height vanities. We use cultured marble with rectangular sinks and brushed nickel hardware. This particular homeowner chose ceramic tile in all the bathrooms and the laundry. And the soaking tub comes with a frosted glass window, and the optional shower is one-piece fiberglass, comes with a door. There's no grout, there's no seams to caulk, and it's easy to clean. There's also a water closet in the master bath as well, again with an operable frosted glass window. So let's take a look at the upstairs, where there are 5 more bedrooms and a really big rec room. We do stain the oak handrail to match the wood floor, and this buyer chose the wood in the family room, which is optional. The standard wood comes in the kitchen and the dining room and the foyer. Let's look upstairs. So as you get to the top of the stairs, there's a very large rec room. And we've got a good sized laundry room. And this level has 5 bedrooms. The rear bedrooms all have walk-in closets, and the front bedrooms are all with double closets, double doors. And this particular bedroom's nice and bright, big room. Again, big closet, double windows. All of our bedrooms have lights in the ceiling, and it is wired for a ceiling fan with a switch designed for the ceiling fan. So you can swap out the light for a ceiling fan if you so wish. Double doors on this closet, so a nice big closet here. And then we've got a wide hallway leading to a bathroom, again with the rectangular sink, deep tub with no caulk or seams for grout. There's a linen closet here. We provide all of the hanging and shelving in the linen and pantries. And then there's another bathroom with double sinks for the rest of the bedrooms in the back. So this bedroom has 2 windows, nice size bedroom, and a walk-in closet. All the walk-in closets have lights. So you've got a lot of shelving in this closet. And then we've got another bedroom with a walk-in closet, good size, and yet another. This bedroom has an alcove for a desk or chest of drawers. We do have dual zone heating and air conditioning. So there's a thermostat upstairs and a thermostat downstairs. So you can see the size of this house and this room in particular.